The excitement is just too much. It's too much. Too much excitement for one day, Mazzy. Too much excitement.
This day's just getting better.
It's getting better now. Oil filter didn't fit. Didn't fit. Never mind. Never mind.
No.
Mike, you know what guy who's getting parcels for us, Mike and Claire?
Yeah.
Mike's gone to get me one in Bantry. He's picked it up. And
Oil filter.
oil filter.
Yeah, you didn't make yourself clear.
Did I not? I'm sure I did. An oil
know.
filter. And your final parcel's arrived.
Yes.
Your tablets, so you can start feeling good and better and lovely.
That's been dragging me down.
And that means we've got all 4 parcels
Yes.
turned up, which is a
Yeah.
massive relief. Cost an absolute fortune to get them all over here, especially the generator, but never mind.
Well,
it's
they
going
all
to be
did
worth
in
it.
their own way, didn't they? Even my one was nearly 70 quid, my one,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
it were worth it, honestly.
Yeah.
And even better than that, Mike. Honestly, this Mike, I can't wait to meet Mike.
Yeah.
He's coming at 2 o'clock, which is only about an hour away.
Yay!
He's bringing us parcels at 2 o'clock.
We did offer to go and pick him up, but I think he's more than happy to come out and, yeah.
Buzzing, absolutely buzzing.
And we got a little card, thank you. Now, we did want to get him a little gift as well. But
We did, but we ain't got anywhere to get a gift from Mazzy.
so
We'll try and look into that
we'll
for
look
another
into
day.
that, yeah.
But thank you so much to you guys.
Yeah.
Why am I thanking? He ain't got here yet. He might not come. He might just be saying that, steal the parcels and never come. Shouldn't be thanking him yet, really. We have spent every day for the last 2 weeks dreaming about getting these parcels. We're really, that ain't exaggerating.
There's some little niggly bits in some of these different parcels, and like just stupid stuff like headphones for my phone, you know.
A new pan, new frying pan.
Yeah. Oh my god, I can't wait to open them. Let's not tell them no more.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do like a video just on opening them, I think.
Yeah, that'll be good. Hey, delivery.
Got delivery, Mazzy. All his parcels have arrived.
Yeah.
Absolutely buzzing. This one's wet, Mazzy.
Is it?
It's wet.
Oh no. Why is it wet?
I don't know.
Okay.
Damaged at the side.
Oh,
That's one of yours. I think they're both yours.
Are they?
The funny thing is, that one, right? You know what's in there? I do. That one arrived today, Mazzy.
Yeah.
That's your tablets, which is probably about that big.
Yeah.
And that's the box. We have got the beast.
Oh, is it heavy?
It is heavy.
Yeah.
That's a solar powered generator stroke power box, which I'm going to open these anyway later on. And this is some other goodies, including,
Goodies?
well, we're
No,
not going to say what's in
don't
them.
say what's in it.
We'll open these, that'll be a separate video.
Can I
Opening
open
these.
my one now though? Because I've got a feeling I've got to.
I think you need to open this because it's wet.
Yeah, and to be honest, I need to open the top one as well. I need that straight away.
Well,
don't
should
I?
we just do a separate video opening them all now?
Could do. Do you
It'll
want to?
take us 10 minutes.
Should we do it outside?
No.
Yeah.
That was the one which came this morning, the wrong one. That is the one which turned up today.
Yay.
Delivered by Mike. Absolutely beautiful. So that's a job for me tomorrow. Right,
Let's crack on.
let's crack on. So there's 4 parcels. We're going to start with Mazzy's first parcel.
Yeah.
We know, we've got a rough idea what's
Got a
in
rough
each.
idea. This one's so light.
See the size of that baby. It's
Yeah.
massive. It's massive. Go on, Mazzy, you keep going.
Okay, I think this is going to be complicated. This one, guys, have been damaged on several of the corners, and I know also for a fact because I can smell it.
Smells like cardboard.
Yeah, I've got to be careful what I cut now because I'm not quite sure how well packed this one is.
We don't get many parcels. You do get
Oh,
overexcited,
okay.
don't you?
Oh, okay. There's something in there for you, babe. Oh my God! Oh no!
John Smith's, Mazzy.
Yeah, but look what it's done to all my stuff.
Oh, there's a broken John Smith's, Mazzy.
Oh,
Oh, there's a broken John Smith's.
it's gone all over my stuff.
Yeah, but I've only got 3 instead of 4, Mazzy.
Look, you got these as well, Mrs.
That one's all right.
They're still cold. Some medication for Dan too.
Yeah, that one's alright as well.
Look, it's gone all over my stuff.
There's not wrong with that one either. Don't worry, we've got 3 John Smiths, Mazzy.
What
That's
about
alright.
my heels?
What about them?
They're wet and sticky.
Got 3 John Smiths. Thank you so much, Shani. 3
Yeah.
John Smiths. Got John Smiths, Mazzy. John Smiths.
Oh
beer.
no. Everything's wet and mouldy, look.
Oh, never mind. We've got John Smiths though.
That really is trashed. There's that.
Basically, what
They're
it
all
is
my clothes.
is clothes.
Yeah. So that needs sorting out.
Travel Trolls TV. What's
Yeah.
this, Mazzy?
This went to my father's address quite some time ago.
Okay. Wow.
What is it? Ain't what we were expecting.
Hold them up, Mazzy. Hold them up while I read the thing.
Oh wow. Hold on.
Hi, Dan and Mazzy. Was practicing my 3D printing and made and painted these. Don't know if you want them or maybe give them away. No.
No.
Or play frisbee with them. Keep the videos coming. I really enjoy them. Best wishes, Simon, aka Nightjar.
Now that's a lovely surprise.
That is amazing. Look at these.
I'll be honest, we thought that now was going to be a mirror, didn't we?
We are expecting a mirror. The mirror might have gone to my mum's, or we might not have actually arranged for them to go until we've got a proper postal address.
Oh,
Someone's made us a mirror, you know, like
Yeah.
etched in the Travel Trolls thing on it. I reckon that's not been posted yet, Mazzy.
I don't know.
But that is a really cool, wonderful surprise.
That is a lovely
Ah.
surprise. Oh,
Thank you
playing
so
frisbee with them already.
much. Wonderful. So the next parcel is a very expensive parcel. This is the one I was worried about getting lost. It literally did get lost in the post twice.
Twice. Look at it. How can you lose such a size parcel?
And it retails for £1,600, I believe, but I haven't looked into it. We are going to be doing a review on this. I'll quickly get it out and hopefully I can give you a rough idea of what it is. And it says on there, portable solar power generator.
Oh, that's going to be so exciting. Well, do you want to open that when you review it?
Yeah, but I'm excited, Mazzy.
Yeah, I know, but we've
I
still
am
got one more to go into.
Yeah, but I am excited. Oh, they've sent us the black one, Mazzy, which is what I
Yeah,
wanted.
we wanted the black one, didn't we?
They do this in blue as well. Didn't want the blue one. There you go.
God.
So this is, it's like a power bank stroke, I'm tired out, power bank stroke solar
Generator.
power generator,
Yeah.
silent. It will power up to 1,500 watts, I believe. We'll do a review on that in the next few days.
Yep. So we've got this little one that your mum packed up for us, haven't we?
I think this is going to be the most exciting one, Mazzy.
Yes!
There's something in here which,
I'm dying to get my hands on. Or my ears, should I say.
I know, you're more excited about the wrong thing really.
I don't care!
There's something in here which somebody has sent specifically for you really to film on. That gives it away, doesn't it? To film the vlogs on.
You're no good for keeping any secret, you, are you?
Right. We're not allowed to show them.
I got some new tea towels.
New tea towels from my mother. She says,
Yeah.
don't put them on video because they're not my best tea towels.
Thank you, Jing. Much appreciated.
We have got, what's this?
Oh, that'll be the power.
Oh, that's for you. Yeah, this is for you.
Yeah.
Do you want to show them your earphone things?
Yeah. Well, I needed some new headphones, guys. I don't know what they are. What are they?
It's basically some earphones and an extension-y leady thing for the iPhone 8 or something, 5.
or 6 or something. I don't know what it is.
Because it's an old phone, it's stupid and only certain earphones fit, so you've now got that.
What it is you can either only charge it or only have your headphones in it. So this is an adapter now where I can charge it and have my headphones at the same. But the important bit is new headphones. That has been driving me bonkers. Are you sure these are new headphones?
Well, they're not second hand, are
Yay! Oh my god, thank you, thank you.
A new towel off shampoo. Don't need water ever again for the next 4 months. That's how long one of them lasts me. Get my hair cut tomorrow, next day.
Yeah, we've got
Few
a lot
drops of that on.
planned for the next few days. You'll have to wait.
That'll last me forever. Now in here you've got loads of leads and things, and a new camera, Mazzy.
Yeah, how exciting.
Somebody sent us this. It's second hand, but
Yeah.
it's almost new, he said. And it does look almost new. It looks new.
New.
It doesn't want us to mention who he is. It is a Canon SX60 HS.
Now this is for me to use, guys.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit scared because I hate new technology. I just...
It's very similar to the one we've got
yeah.
in that the buttons are in the same place. It's got a flip screen which works in the same way.
Oh, you're going to have to teach me how to use it.
But the zoom on this, I have been looking at the zoom on this.
Yeah.
It is amazing.
It is
So-
amazing, but I keep repeating myself. How often do I use a suit?
Yes, but what's going to happen, Mazzy, is I'm going to have to play around with this for a few days.
Yeah,
And
please.
I'll let you know how to use it.
Oh,
That's my
gift.
toy for the next few days.
Well, that's a wonderful
It
gift.
is, thank you so much.
so much.
Last but not least, Mazzy,
Yeah, this is from
you. Oh no, Danny
Danny
DeShriver.
Schreiber. He brought me this. I think it's around about my birthday time.
Yes.
Well, he sent the money over to get me a new pan. And this is what we bought, Danny.
A Ridge Monkey.
It's a Ridge Monkey. Oh, that's just that. So we got...
So it's a pan.
So it's a pan.
There you are.
Yeah.
So it opens, well, oh, it's got like handles and stuff inside it.
Yay!
But we'll be doing a full review on that as well. Very popular in the camping, motorhome, van life community.
Yeah.
So we'll do a review on that
Oh,
as well.
that's going to be brilliant. Thank you, Danny. Much appreciated.
Thank you. So that's us unboxing
Yeah.
the parcels.
Oh,
That's a video on its own, I think, Mazzy.
well, I've got to tidy up now.
Yeah, I've got things to do. I've just got to.
No!
Well, I've just got to prepare under engine
Don't give me that, I
to get
tell
my
ya.
new oil filter ready.
Right, so it's just a quick video today, guys, for that. And each product we'll do some reviews on and stuff, won't we?
Definitely. You know,
Yeah.
we'll probably have a separate video on the Ridge Monkey,
Yeah, give us time to sort of check it out a bit.
the camera maybe,
Yeah,
definitely the
generator.
generator,
Yeah.
and
And
yeah,
that's it, really.
and the John Smith, maybe a video. I could review 3 cans of John Smith's, Mazzy.
Yeah, go for it.
I could do that. I could sit down for an hour and just review them for you. So we've just done all them parcels, and just after we've finished filming that, another one turned up. Another one turned up, Mazzy.
How exciting.
How exciting. No idea what this is, who it's from, what it is. So, we'll stick this into the same video, I think.
Yeah.
Seeing as it's a parcel unboxing video. Okay. Oh. Dan's oil mats.
Okay.
Dan's oil. I wish I had that
Well
about an hour
done.
ago.
Show them what we're seeing. Oh my god.
Okay. We've opened it. I'll try and rest it on my knee. This says Dan's oil mats. Why? Oh, I wish I'd have opened this last night now, Mazzy. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That'd have been perfect.
That would have been perfect.
That'd have been perfect. Just done the job this morning. Don't
Yeah.
worry. I'll save it. I'll save it. Wonderful.
I can see some niceties.
Oh! Oh!
Right.
So the other parcels we opened yesterday
Yeah.
included were 3 John Smiths from your, well, 4 John Smiths from your sister.
Yeah.
But she decided to put a knife through one of her.
No, I think it was my heel. But I've explained
Okay.
that, yeah.
I'm on my last one, so I had 3, and I've just opened my 3rd one now.
Yeah.
Got some more, look. Perfect condition.
Perfect condition.
Perfect condition.
Are the bottoms good?
The bottoms are good.
Oh wow.
It's the bottoms on the other ones all swelled out.
I think the bottoms on. I think my parcel got flown over.
I think one's airmail and one's
Yeah.
not airmail.
Yeah.
2 lots, Mazzy. 8 cans. Buzzing. Thank you so much. I don't even know who you are
Yeah,
yet.
we don't know yet. Hold on, should we read this first?
Oh, is there a note?
Yay.
Hello, Dan and Mazzy. we are sending you this box of goodies to thank you both for the great vlogs you have been uploading in this current lockdown. You've been putting a smile on our faces, and my God, we can do it with that at the moment. Hope you enjoy the enclosed and they bring a smile to your faces too. Keep up the good work. Regards, Simon and Doreen, Travel Trolls fans.
Oh wow,
Thank you
that's
so much.
Lovely.
And they've even printed some trolls off on the bottom, look.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Buzzing. Simon and who? Maureen?
Doreen, sorry.
Simon and Doreen. Thank you so much.
That's so
Look,
good. Yeah.
Sweets for you, some quality streets for you. Some sensation. Ooh, we love all that. Ooh, Mumbai inspired street mix.
Yes.
Nuts. It's like proper.
We love these.
It's not just nuts. It's got little balls and stuff in.
Oh, well, there's kind of mix.
We love all like
Don't
that.
let that blow everywhere.
We've got crisps, Mazzy.
Oh, Pringles.
Peri chicken.
Yeah. Cool.
Rice
Oh.
fusion Peking duck with hoisin sauce.
Wow.
Look
Oh,
at
these are
this.
treats, aren't they?
Wasn't expecting this at all. That's it. That's your lot, Mazzy. Thank you
Thank
so
Thank you,
much.
Simon and Doreen.
Bless
We
you.
really appreciate
It doesn't say where you're
that.
from or anything.
I'm guessing the UK because of the John Smiths anyway. Right, my back's killing me. Can we say goodbye now?
Goodbye now. See you all later. Thank you so much, Claire and Mike, for helping
thank
us
you,
out.
Claire and Mike.
And on top of that, somebody, I'm not going to say who it was,
Yes.
but someone at a similar time to when Mike turned up with these, somebody came and gave us a freshly baked loaf of bread. And it's fantastic. So
Yes.
thank you so much to them as well. You are amazing. Right. See you all later, guys.
Love y'all.
Catch you on the next. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thanks
for watching.
Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.